share and continue passing the message of his strength to so many is to take him back to class as a lecturer. That is food for thought for us in academia. So Professor Olara Otunnu could actually come back to the university, but we don't stop him from pursuing his other interests. I'm here again as Uncle Bruno's friend, and in front of me here all are Uncle Bruno's. Allow me to address him as Uncle Bruno, the living Bruno who is seated there. We are everyday friends of Uncle Bruno. Since late Professor Chaya Bruno passed on, we have been with the living Bruno every day. It has not been an easy journey, you know, as we try to be friends of every day in our everyday life. And then all of a sudden, Professor, our Mr. Bruno, okay. You know what it means. You're happy, but your mother's baby is sleeping in a funeral home. It has not been an easy one. And where Mr. Bruno, his team has been listening to you very much. His words used to be, you people, I need company. That used to be his common words for all this season. And you know how the team is also busy and you have to be with him. So Mr. Bruno, we are here to complete this journey with you. To the grieving family, death is for every living thing. We people, animals, and plants. Do not allow grief to run you off. Share your grief with people who have been in similar situations before. Somebody is stamping feet here near me that I should stop and give opportunity to others also to say thank you.
Thank you very much, Mr. Bruno.
Monsignor Matthew, who with fellow clergy conducted this frequent mass. The family of Bruno Chaya, the family of the elder Bruno, our Honorable Member of Parliament, the incumbent, the former, the dean from Makerere University, friends of Bruno, the late, will come with this